Hello children, good morning. Today I will going to teach you about fibers and fabrics for the students of class 7th and lesson 3. Children, at first we will discuss about the name of the lesson, fibers and fabric. What is fibers and fabrics? Fibers are hair-like structures which are obtained from plants and animals are known as the fibers. Okay, fibers are hair-like structures which are obtained from animals and plants are known as the fiber. Fabrics, a piece of clothes, pieces of clothes are known as the fabric. Children, you have already learned that natural fiber, synthetic fiber in your previous classes. What is natural fiber? What is synthetic fiber? Types of natural fiber, types of synthetic fiber. Such as natural fiber, that fiber which are obtained from nature. They are classified into two forms, animals and plants. Animal fiber which are obtained from animals and plant fiber which are obtained from plants. Synthetic fiber which are that fiber which are made from chemical and human. So this type of fiber is synthetic fiber. And the example of synthetic fiber, rayon, polyester, acrylic, nylon are known as a synthetic fiber. But today we will discuss about natural fiber and mainly silk and wool. Okay, at first we will discuss about silk. Silk is an animal fiber which are obtained from silkworm, and the process of obtaining silk from silkworm are known as the sericulture. Silkworm produce silk, and silk is very elastic, durable, and also we say that they have capable of stretch 1600 meter. If we can say that in one thread of silk is stretched in 1600 meter, and this is the process of obtaining silk from silkworm is known as the sericulture. Making of silk, the process of making silk is known as the sericulture. Silk is obtained from silkworm within boiled of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Silk on the temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, silkworm boiled and obtained a thread after the extracting, and by the applying on the dyeing and spinning on the base of their length and texture of the yarn, we use the thread of the yarn of the silk, and by the process of weaving, we made the cloth of silk. And weaving is that process in which two threads are used perpendicularly for making a cloth. Now we will discuss about wool. Wool is animal fiber and they are obtained from sheep and goat also. The process of obtaining wool is following here. At first, shearing of wool. That process in which wool is removed from the sheep's body are known as the shearing. The process of removed wool from the body of the sheep is known as the shearing. Scoring. Waste materials are removed. It means after the obtaining of the wool from the body of the sheep, they are washed. They are washed. Which wool are washed for removing the waste material which are present on the surface of the wool. Okay? Sorting. After washing and drying, category based on the texture. It means after washing and drying, wool are categorized on their texture is known as the sorting process. Removing of burr. It means again washed. The process of washed again is known as the removing of burr process. Now, after the again washed, we colored them, we paint them, and this is called dyeing, and provide different types of color to them. Making yarn by machine. And our last process of the wool, making yarn. It means after all process, we made yarn, we made thread by the help of machines. Now, some example of wool animal which are provide wool: Lohi, Marwari, Patanwadi. This is the category of the sheep. At last, we will discuss about occupational hazard. Occupational hazard, it means in the industry there are many laborers are present and worked for this completing their process, obtaining their fibers from the wool and silk. So they may lead to some disease, such as some people lead to respiratory and skin disorder, cancer, allergic due to chemicals. Some people suffers from blood infections, nozen and bladder cancer. So this type of problem are increased due to the different types of chemical used and the waste material which are present on the surface of the fiber. The fiber is known as the hazard, occupational hazard. It means वैसा प्रॉब्लम जो किसी केमिकल या डस्ट के प्रेजेंस के कारण क्रिएट होते हों, उस हैजर्ड को ऑक्यूपेशनल हैजर्ड के नाम से जानते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, thus our chapter fibers and fabrics is going to be end. Thank you.